Good morning everyone and happy Friday. Welcome back to Science with Miss Howell. Today's experiment is a little different than last week's experiment. I'm using items that I found around my home and around my kitchen. So today we are going to attempt to make elephant toothpaste. As you know, elephants are large animals, so I'm hoping we get a big quantity. For today, the list of materials that we're using is dish soap, food coloring, warm water, hydrogen peroxide, and a little bit of yeast. If you've ever helped your parents make bread, yeast is a rising agent, so it is found in food. I need to put my goggles on, safety first. So as you can see, what I've done so far is I've put some dish soap in the bottom of this clean, empty pop bottle. What I'm going to do next is put some hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. Put it on the table so I can see the right amount. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to use my funnel and I'm going to pour it in. As you can see, there's a little bit of a reaction while the hydrogen peroxide mixes with the soap. Nothing too crazy, just a few bubbles. What I'm going to do next is take some hot water some hot water and mix in some of our yeast or our rising agent. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Not a whole lot is happening here. The yeast is just mixing in with the warm water, kind of making like a milky-like substance. It is hot. Okay, so that's ready to go. What I'm going to do next is make it a little bit more realistic, like toothpaste, and easier for us to see. I'm going to do a few dashes of some orange, yellow, oh my goodness, it's Friday, yellow. You can see it's making its way down the bottle there. I'm going to do some green. There we go. And last but not least, we're going to do some blue. My hands are wet. There we go. Some blue. Okay, so we have our 3 food coloring colors in there. And now we need to add our yeast and water mixture. So what do you notice right now in the bottle? Well, the colors are kind of mixing together in our hydrogen peroxide and dish soap mixture. Let's see what happens when we add the yeast and the water. I'm going to take the funnel back out. You can definitely see that it's rising quickly. Look at it rise there. The bubbles are on the top. It looks like it's getting like a thicker solution. It's making its way up the bottle. The toothpaste itself, it looks like it's a seafoamy, grainy color. It looks a little bit more like toothpaste than it did just in the bottle. Is it going to make its way to the top? Is it going to explode out the bottle? I don't know. Very cool. The suds and the bubbles you can see are making its way up. I think it's definitely got to the top. Is it going to explode? Maybe I should stand back. Look at how cool that is. Look at the colors. You can still see the yellow. Very cool. I'm just going to turn it towards the camera so you can see. Look how cool our toothpaste is. It's still exploding. Very cool, our elephant toothpaste. It's still going. gonna turn it again so you can see. It actually looks like toothpaste.
You're the frame. There we go.
Very cool. Well, thanks for tuning in.
We should brush Cooper's teeth.
We're not gonna brush Cooper's teeth with this. Thank you.